How to check the hard disk drive, solid-state drive, or non-volatile memory express capacity of a computer. Hi there. We will begin by locating the search icon shown at the taskbar on the Windows 11 home screen. Right-click on the Windows search icon. Input Control Panel in the search bar shown in the upper section of the search window. Press Enter on your keyboard to search. Or simply right-click on the control panel icon that pops out on your screen. The control panel then gets displayed. Right-click on System and Security. Further, right-click on System. Locate Storage option, and then right-click on it. You will be able to see the storage capacity of either the hard disk drive, solid-state drive, or non-volatile memory express capacity of the computer, whichever the system supports. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Starkly Tech YouTube channel to receive notifications for more videos.